In a previous video, we've called the shipping plugin inside of the admin folder. So now we need to create that file, obviously. If we go to the plugin, create a new folder called admin. And inside of this admin folder, if we create a new file called shipping, with the extension PHP, of course. If we open that shipping.php file and start with if isn't empty, and we're looking for data, rows. And now why do we use data? Because if you remember, inside of the plugin method, the second parameter is called data. And whatever we pass as a second parameter, if we go back to our list.php here, which is our array, we'll use this data basically as a calling variable like. And obviously we're looking for rows because we're looking for rows here, and this rows index will of the data array will have all local or international records. Then we're going to have zones as well, object URL and URL sort. So going back here, we're checking if the rows isn't empty, and then else statement, because we're going to have one, and then closing bracket. In the else statement, we're going to just display the paragraph. There are currently no records. And if it isn't empty, then we go for the table, cell padding, again 0, cell spacing 0, then border 0, and class TBL repeat. Inside of this table, we're going to start with the table row with all the headings. The first one will be th class call underscore 1, which is basically 1% wide, plus symbol inside of this, as this is going to be basically for the column, which will allow us to drag the columns up and down, rows up and down. Then we have th for type. Then we have th call, sorry, not call span, wrong. It's going to be class again. I'm going to copy this class call 1, the 1%, and then we go for rates. Then we have I'm just going to copy this and paste several times underneath. So I have rates. After rates, we have active, whether the given method is currently active. Then we have for default, which one should be selected when the visitor will get to the checkout page. Then we have duplicate. And the last one is called remove. For this one, we're going to use TA underscore R for text aligned to the right. Then after this table row, we're going to create tBody tag with ID rows local. Then we go for class sort rows, and data hyphen URL will be echo data URL sort index. So this is our tBody, which in between this opening closing tBody tags will be able to basically drag and drop table rows in order to rearrange the order of these records. Now we're going to go for the opening PHP tag for each data rows as item. And in the next video, what we're going to do is to basically loop through these records.